Welcome to Geomagic Freeform 2026.1. I'm Kevin Atkins, Product Manager for Freeform, and over the next few minutes, we'll take a look at what's new and what's changed in the world's most comprehensive organic modeling system. For full details, check the release notes and in-product help. Let's jump straight into the new features. Deform Selection is a brand new tool that lets you isolate a region, define how it moves, and preserve sculpted detail while making major changes. What used to take significant manual work can now be done quickly and with full control. A separate dedicated video covers this in depth. Freeform now supports Python scripting. Python expands automation far beyond native Dynabots, allowing users to build advanced, custom tools using the Geomagic API and other Python libraries. Here are a few examples. The first shows automatically generating a mold tool for a cranial plate, including orienting the plate to minimize undercuts, controlling the dimensions of the mold features, and adding spherical location keys. The second example shows creating deviation plots between two pieces and saving the results as paint. The third example shows automatically translating multiple pieces normal to the view until they collide with a stationary piece. This is a customer-requested workflow now achievable through scripting. The last example shows automatically creating construction planes on flat areas of imported meshes. For full details, see the new Python user manual. Another major addition is support for Haply Robotics haptic devices, including the Minverse and Inverse 3. For more information, visit haply.co or contact your local reseller. Now let's take a look at enhancements to existing tools. Many improvements were made across the system, but here are the most impactful. For Dynabot automation, Dynabots can now run without a haptic device, opening automation to mouse-only users. There's also a new Getting Started manual, making learning Dynabots easier for new users. Freeform now supports RT-Struct when importing DICOM files, making it easier to design patient-specific bolus devices. Here you can see the typically imported quality and then the much improved results after rebuilding inside Freeform. You can now measure directly from a clay surface to a buck, which is especially useful for patient-specific devices where final thickness matters. Tug with Curve now works with scripting, enabling automated creation of features like pressure relief recesses with controlled depth and width. The Select with Curve Loop tool now includes seed selection, giving users more precise control over what gets selected. A small but helpful addition, you can now reset the object list window to its default location. Great for hybrid work setups where screen resolutions may change. For Freeform Sculpt users, new mesh tools have been added including Remesh, Reduce, Analyze, and Repair. These help prepare meshes generated with AI and cell phone scanning apps for further design and manufacturing. Finally, a licensing update. Freeform now has subscription pricing. Freeform has long been a premium professional solution, and subscription lowers the barrier to entry, making Freeform accessible for new users while maintaining the capabilities relied on by leading manufacturing and healthcare organizations. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit the Hexagon website or contact your local Geomagic partner or sales representative.